Good morning, children! Today, we're going to read words with long sound A. Words with A sound as in snake or rave. For example, cake, bake, rake, lake, cave, wave, gave, save. Words with A sound as in crate or mail. Mate, gate, rate, late, kale, pail, sail, tail. Words with A sound as in crane or blade. Cane, lane, main, pain, made, fade, jade, wade. Words with A sound as in brace or scrape. Face, lace, mace, race, cape, tape, vape, scrape. Words with A sound as in train or jail. Rain, pain, main, gain, sail, hail, mail, tail. Words with A sound as in braid or trait. Made, laid, paid, raid, bait, wait, late, trait. Words with A sound as in pray. Hay, day, bay, say, way, lay, ray, pay. Good job, children!